Hi, it's Monique. Visit my website daytimevegan.com for a ton of vegan breakfast, lunch, and dinner recipes. Hi everyone, it's Monique. I'm here with another video. Today I want to share with you all why I eat white rice instead of brown rice. And I want to share with you a little tip. It's a simple tip that I use to make my white rice a little bit healthier so that I feel a little bit better about eating it. Because I eat white rice a lot, almost every day of the week. So there are plenty of benefits. If you go online, you'll see plenty of benefits for eating brown rice and plenty of benefits for eating white rice, even though you'll probably see more benefits for the brown rice versus the white rice. Typically, people prefer brown rice because it's more of a whole grain rice. From what I've learned, brown rice is the whole grain that just has the inedible outer hull removed. And white rice has the hull removed, the bran layer removed, another germ layer or something like that removed. It has a lot of the healthy layers removed in the white rice, which means it loses a lot of the nutrients. So a lot of people suggest that you eat brown rice instead. And also from my experience, brown rice gets you much fuller, so you eat less of it. I can eat way more white rice than I can brown rice. It's crazy the amounts. I could eat twice the amount of white rice compared to brown rice. So those are the main reasons why most health professionals will advise you to eat brown rice instead of white rice. And I'm not a health professional at all. I'm just giving you my unprofessional opinion. But I feel like I eat a pretty healthy diet. I eat more than enough of my daily doses of greens almost every day. I have a green smoothie every day. I have salads and different types of vegetables and grains every day. I try to eat a variety, like they say, eat the rainbow. So I try to eat a variety of healthy foods every single day, healthy plant foods. So I feel like I can be a little easy on myself with some things because I eat so healthy. And it's not to say because you're so healthy you can eat pizza every weekend or something like other people do. I'm not saying don't eat pizza every weekend or eat pizza every weekend. Do what you want to do, but that's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying because I feel like I eat such a healthy, balanced diet most days of the week, I can slack a little bit and I don't have to eat brown rice because I'm going to keep it real. I like white rice better. I do like brown rice. I have brown rice in my cabinet right now. But I'm not gonna lie, it's been in there for a few months. I buy white rice practically every other week, and I buy a lot of it every time I get it. And every grocery shopping period, I get more because I'm out. So because I like to eat white rice more, I did find a little way to try to make it a little bit healthier so that I feel better about eating it because I eat white rice almost every single day. Okay, sorry about that. My SD card died. I had to put a new one in my camera. So I think I stopped when I was telling you that I'm going to share with you tips on how I make my white rice a little bit healthier, or at least how I make myself feel a little bit better about eating it because I eat white rice so much throughout the week. So my tip is to add quinoa to it. I used to try to just eat quinoa by itself and just replace rice with quinoa, but I noticed when I put it in soups and stews, it would kind of get lost in the soup and stew because the grains are so small, and it would kind of disintegrate and didn't have that bite and that texture that rice has. So I went back to eating rice instead of quinoa. And then I decided, why don't I mix the two? So I get the good flavor of the white rice and I get the health benefits of the quinoa. And quinoa has a lot of health benefits if you didn't know already. If you've seen my grocery hauls, then you know that I always have quinoa on my grocery list. I love it because of the health benefits. So I'm going to go over a couple of the health benefits. You can do your own research. I'm not going to pretend like I memorized it. I have my phone right here. I took some notes and I'm going to read to you some of the benefits of the quinoa. Well, mainly the top two benefits are the high protein and the high fiber content. Quinoa has a much higher fiber content than most grains. Most of the fiber is insoluble, but and from my research, soluble fiber is typically better than insoluble fiber. But if you have 1 cup of cooked quinoa, you can get 2.5 grams of insoluble fiber from that. And for me, it's easy to eat 1 cup of quinoa because I'm always eating some kind of soup or stew or curry. Oh, I love curries. And I eat my rice and quinoa mixture throughout the day with the curries and the soups that I make each day. So the fiber content is high, higher than most grains, and it's also high in protein. Quinoa is one of the few, if not only, I'll say one of the few grains that is it's a complete protein. You can look up complete proteins. I can do a whole video on that. But it's one of the few grains that's a complete protein, which makes it a very good protein source for vegans and vegetarians, particularly vegans. It has a good source of iron and magnesium and a few other minerals. And it's also gluten-free for those of us with endometriosis, ovarian cysts, or other health issues that require you to eat a gluten-free diet. Quinoa is gluten-free, and you can find it, a lot of it is grown organically. So when I started buying quinoa, I wouldn't even look for the organic kind at first, but I just noticed I would see the organic right next to the regular, and the price difference wouldn't be that much. So of course I got the organic. So at the moment, who knows when Monsanto will come creeping around the corners, but at the moment, a lot of quinoa is grown organically and is gluten-free. So that's really great for us, those of us who have health issues and have to try to eat a little bit cleaner. So now I'm going to show you the video. Of course, it's very simple. All you do is mix rice with quinoa, but I know some people just like to see how I do it. So I'm going to show you a video of how I mix equal parts white rice with equal parts quinoa, and that's what I have whenever I want to have rice with my meal. And my favorite rice that I use is jasmine rice. I love jasmine rice. It has a beautiful, subtle flavor, not too strong. I used to love basmati rice, but basmati rice can like overpower some of the things you eat with it. So basmati rice is like my second favorite rice, but I love jasmine rice. If you want to try jasmine rice and you've never tried it, give it a try. So let's get to it. I'll show you the video of how I make my rice and quinoa mixture, and leave me any comments or questions that you might have, and tell me, what do you prefer? Do you prefer white rice, brown rice, quinoa? Do you do some type of mixture as well? Let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hi everyone, I hope you found this video helpful, especially if you're someone like me who typically prefers
to eat white rice instead of brown rice. If you want exact measurements I used when cooking the quinoa, then check out my blog post. I hope you liked the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!